Track 65.
Dominic, do you think I'm a happy person in the morning?
Yes, sometimes. Why do you ask?
It's this questionnaire. Are you an early bird or a night owl? I'm sometimes happy in the morning, but I don't have a lot of energy. So that's B.
What are the other questions?
Here, come and have a look. Question 2, well, that's easy. I hardly ever get up before 9 at the weekend.
Yes, that's true.
The next question is about parties.
Oh, that's easy. When we go to a party, you never stay to the end.
Yes, that's true. I always leave early, don't I? OK, question 4. Yes, I often watch films late at night.
But you never see the end.
Yes, you're right. So that's C.
What about question 5? When do you see friends at the weekend?
Well, I usually see friends in the afternoon. Right, the last question.
Ah, this is a good one.
Yes, I'm always happy to talk to friends when they phone before 8 in the morning.
What? That's not true. I always answer the phone.
Yes, you answer the phone, then I talk to my friends. So it's A. Right, what's my score?
OK, your score is...